Hello, I'm Stacy Hoffer. I'm your instructor for English 102 6W2, the online research and composition course. So I just want to walk you through the first assignment that we'll be doing for our online class. And I'm very excited. This is my favorite class to teach because I really enjoy research. I love learning new things, and that's what research is all about. So log into our course. If you're here for the first time, you'll notice that you go straight to the overview. And this is good information, but we're just going to skip past it for right now. So come down to Unit 1 Literature Review and click on Research Questions / Source Evaluations. Here you will find all the information for our first assignment, and it's really good if you can go over this. Definitely watch the research questions worth answering. It's going to help you come up with some really valuable research questions for our Research Questions and Source Evaluation worksheet. So here you're going to download this worksheet. A copy here. So this topic should be something that you are genuinely interested in, something you really want to learn about, because if you're going to write a whole paper about it, then you should be interested in it. If this is an opportunity for you to acquire some knowledge about something that maybe you've always wondered about. It could be related to your field, or it could not. What are you interested in? I think for me, I'm going to do something with education, because as a teacher, I obviously have a lot to do with education, or at least I hope I do. So I'm going to say education, but I want to narrow it down a little bit. So online education. And maybe the first thing that I want to ask is, how do students collaborate online? So as you can see, online education is my topic, but my question doesn't necessarily have online education in the verbiage. It just has something that's related to that topic. It's one of the things that I'm curious about when it comes to online education. So down here in my search terms, I might say something like student collaboration, online classrooms. So notice I didn't write just the sentence there, and if you watch that other video that's in our course on how to use the databases, it'll give you a lot more information on how to come up with really good search terms. So I'm just going to take this search term and I'm going to try it out. So I'm here at MyDTCC under Resources, and again that video will give you more information about this, but I'm just going to click on EBSCOhost and do a really quick search. So I like to select all of the databases. I don't mind waiting a little bit. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my search and see what it comes up with. Alright, cool. So I got a really good one right away. It definitely said that my smart text searching saved me, so that's really helpful. If you don't get a good source right away, what you can do is you can come down here to the left and you can use the subject, the source term, or subject major heading to kind of narrow that down. So what that looks like is when you click on that link, you can click on Show More, and it gives you options for how to narrow that down. So maybe I just want to look at learning environment, or I just want to look at teaching methods. I can update that, and then it's going to give me a significantly lower hit count so I can actually go through it. So I think I liked my initial search first, so I'm going to go back to that one, and I'm just going to use this as my source. So as you can see, this does not have a full text. That's one of the things that you want to make sure that you do when you're searching for your actual paper, is clicking full text. The library can access it for you. As you can see here, I do have one available online, so I can go to that. But for my purposes, just to do this worksheet, I'm just going to use the abstract and all of this information here. So I'm going to bring this back up. It's going to ask me what database I pulled this from. So I'm pulling it from ERIC. That is the Education Resource something, I can't remember what it all stands for, but that's the database. So it's right down here under the heading Database. So I'm going to put that here. And then everything that I need to fill out this section is actually on that detailed record. So I can put ERIC here. I can come back, look for my authors. Who are my authors? Here they are. Copy, paste, so on and so forth until I filled out this section. So for the next section, what I have to do is answer some of the questions about why I chose this source. I have to actually go in and kind of skim through the article and decide whether or not this is the kind of source that I would want to use. So I'm going to try and access it. Okay, so it won't let me access it for free. Can I download a full text? Yes, there it is. So this would be a really good source for me to use. I can access it. It's got some major headings so I can skim through it really quickly. I like this source. So that's one that I would use to do this. And then for the next section, you're going to use just good old Google. So you can pull up your Google. What I use instead of Google is actually, I use this search engine called Ecosia. So I'm going to type in just my same search. Let's see, education, online, collaboration. And Google doesn't care what you type in. It's very friendly. Oh, here's some online collaborative tools. Ooh, this might be, yeah, this is definitely going to be my second one. So I'll just take this one, and again, just copy and paste the information. So I hope that this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions about this first assignment. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys are interested in studying. And I hope if you have any questions, you will send me a text, email me, call me. I'm always here for you guys. I have virtual office hours. They're posted under instructor information. So please let me know if there's anything else I can do to help. And I will see you. All right, bye.